chicas, ¿cómo están? I hope you're all having a beautiful day. Happy spring. I am so looking forward to just being outdoors a lot more, hosting more events, all of the beautiful flowers that are blossoming and blooming. And I feel like this is also a significant time for us women because we're also in a season of bloom. And so I wanted to share some of my favorite beauty things that I'm currently loving. And I also wanted to invite you guys to some in-person events and virtual meetings that I'll be having with you guys. One of my biggest passions that I've kind of discovered through my life, just kind of putting pieces together since the very conception of my beauty channel, is that I love community. I love bringing women together. The intention behind all of these gatherings is just to know that we as women, we are definitely so much more stronger together. And I want to help heal the sister wounds that we have where we don't trust other women, we don't trust ourselves, we don't trust our bodies. And I really want to continue to create spaces for women together in a space that is safe to open up, to connect, to be supported by one another, whether it's a business venture, whether it's motherhood or marriage or divorce or whatever it is that you might be going through right now. The first invitation that I want to offer you guys is a monthly Zoom meeting. This is going to be the Radiant Mujer Circle, and it's completely free, and it is going to be reserved for a specific number of women because I want it to be intimate so we can actually connect and build authentic, intimate connections and real friendships with other women. So we'll be gathering once or twice a month, and we're going to be exploring many different topics of womanhood, and I think it's just going to be really beautiful. So if you're interested, our first circle is the end of the month, and so you can click down below to enter the mailing list where you will be receiving the link so you can join. And it's going to be so beautiful because it's going to be our first gathering. So I've hosted women's circles in the past in person, but this is so, you know, if you're not in the area in Texas, or if you're not able to make it to the retreats, you can definitely join virtually. The second invitation is that I'm hosting a retreat. I'm actually co-hosting it with my friend Anna from Racing Mommy Alchemy, and we're putting together a beautiful experience, very intimate again, for women in Tulum, Mexico, for next year, March 27 to April 1st of 2027. Right? We're in 2026. I keep forgetting the year that we're in, but next year. And so it's going to be a beautiful gathering, and it's a lot of the same themes around sisterhood. We'll be doing cacao ceremonies, temazcal, a lot of bonding, a lot of dancing, a lot of movement of the body, dinners, and fun, and healing and connection, and just going deep within ourselves and holding each other. And it's going to be so transformative. That is happening in Tulum, so make sure you sign up. Early bird ends on the 31st of this month, and then prices are going to go up. And then I also have 2 more spaces available for my retreat to Egypt happening this year in October. So if you guys want to explore Egypt with other women in a safe space, I know safety was a big concern because of everything that's happening in the world, but I just want to reassure you that I wouldn't be moving forward if we didn't have all of the proper safety checks in place, and everything is going to be completely private. So we're going to be traveling together in private cars, and we're all going to be in a group, and we're going to be definitely with someone from the area that knows everything in and out of Egypt. And I just can't wait to see all the tombs and the pyramids and the history, and just learn more about Egypt. And I'm just so excited for this journey because it's like, it's Egypt. You know, like, I never thought that I would make it to Egypt. So the fact that we're going to be doing it together, I am so excited. Okay, so now moving on to my favorites. I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet with every product that I am describing, but we're going to start off with some health and wellness, because how we feel is one of the most important things, right? All of the superficial that we things that we add on top with our hair, makeup, beauty, fashion, if we're not feeling good internally, we're just not going to exude confidence. So for me, one of my biggest issues is bloating. And so even though I work out almost 7 days a week, and I still feel myself looking in the mirror completely relaxing my stomach and feeling like I look like I am 3 to 4 months pregnant, right? And whenever I'm not bloated, I have a flat stomach. So I discovered these two supplements that I've been drinking every single morning to keep my flat stomach. And they have been just really helping me so much more with energy and just having no bloating issues at all. So the first one is the Pure Radiance Vitamin C supplement from organic fruits and berries. You take about a quarter teaspoon and you could just add it to a little bit of water and just drink it. This really helps with detoxifying your body, also of course improving your immune system. Since I've been in Texas, I have not gotten sick. When I went to visit my parents in LA, I got sick immediately. And I remember when I used to live in LA, I was always constantly like with a cough or always catching something. And I just feel like because the air is cleaner here in Texas and I live in a small town, I have not gotten sick. Aloe vera is so key to help other ingredients from your natural diet to absorb better into your body. So this is really great to add into your smoothies or just take it like a shot. It also helps with your immune support. So again, just keeping you nice and healthy and keeping everything moving through your system. Okay, so next up, let's talk about hair. You guys know I have been growing my hair super long for several years now. I haven't cut it. I've given myself like a little bit of trim or just something little, but even then I don't like to give myself a trim because I'm like cutting my hair. So I have a really strong attachment to my hair. I just been growing it out. I don't know when I'm gonna cut it, but right now it's completely virgin. It's just something that I decided to do when I was really stepping into like embodying the woman that I always wanted to be, and I always envisioned her with very healthy hair. And so I stopped doing a lot of different types of treatments with like bleach or coloring my hair all these crazy colors. Well, not crazy colors, but still coloring my hair. I wanted to go to something natural, and so that's part of the reason why I just been growing out my hair, and we'll see when I cut it, but I still have plans to grow it at least another 5 inches. But a really important key element when it comes to growing hair is having a healthy scalp. And to promote hair growth, it's really important to remove impurities and product buildup from your hair so that when you massage serums or anything that's gonna, or like a mask that's really going to help your hair grow and these nutrients to absorb, we want to have the pores of the hair nice and clogged, right? And nice and unclogged. So this is an exfoliating scalp scrub by Love Your Curls. Absolutely love this brand for my hair. Use it every single day, and it restores moisture to the scalp, which is really nice because it's not going to strip your hair away. And it's a gentle exfoliator, and it has this little precise tip. I also use it on my toddler. He's not a toddler, he's a big boy, but it has this precise tip. You put it on, it feels really refreshing because of the peppermint oil, and peppermint oil is also really great for hair growth. So I love that. So the next one that I'm really loving is skincare for the hair. So Keratase, I believe is how you pronounce it. I have to look that up. But they have the Chronologist Overnight Youth Serum, and oh my gosh, this stuff is so amazing. Not only does it smell like, it smells like perfume, like a very high-end perfume that you would just smell like at a Nordstrom's or something like that. But it's a serum that I love to apply on the ends of my hair and also on the roots. And I'm telling you, when I don't have any product on my hair, just this serum, I wake up and my hair is just like so airy, like feathery, you know, because you know how sometimes like when you have product, you feel the crunch, you feel the product in your hair. With this, it's just like this airiness, this lightness, this softness, and just this healthiness to the hair. In order for the serum to work, you have to have a clean scalp, because if not, this is not going to penetrate and actually absorb. Next up, we have the clean towels. These are probably one of my favorite products that I discovered. These are the original compostable face towels to dry and cleanse the skin. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like drying my face with the hand towel in the bathroom or your towel that you use for your body. It just, I don't know, I just feel like there's always some type of germ there, especially the hand towel. Everybody's drying their hands. And so when you cleanse your face in the morning, or at night, and you take the hand towel and you wipe your face, you're gonna put all those germs back into the skin and you're going to get breakouts. So I decided to get these little towels, and they're so big, which I love. So personally, I would actually cut them in half because I don't need all of this much. And they also have like this really nice soft side, which is great because it's texture and it's smooth on one end. These are great after you wash your face and you remove all of your makeup, you put your cleanser, you rinse it off, you dry your face with one of these, because not only is it going to dry your face, but it's also going to remove all of the other makeup that maybe you missed. I always have makeup on my little towelette, even after using like a cleansing balm and a face towel or in a face cleanser. It's usually around my hairline and stuff, and I just wipe it and it just feels so incredibly clean. And so these are really hygienic. My son also, my teenager, he also uses these. Okay, next up, let's talk about lashes. Now, I'm typically not a lash girl because honestly, they're just too complicated for my day-to-day life. So I tend to just stay and rely on mascara because of the glue aspect of like waiting for the glue to get tacky and putting it on and this, that, and the fourth. So Lily Lashes came out with this beautiful concept. These are the self-adhesive band half lashes, and then I also have like a full lash, but I'm actually wearing the half lashes, and I love these because, well, let me tell you the first reason. It actually sticks to your lashes and skin, like that area right here, just by the heat from your eyelid. So it's heat activated, no glue needed, 3D foam mink, and you can wear it up to 5 times, and you don't have to trim these because they're just like the outer corner. And I love these because they just kind of give you a little bit of a lift. Okay, so let's continue talking about skincare. So I tend to break out when I'm about to get my period. And so when I was having a lot of breakouts, I actually went to Target and I ordered a lot of those pimple patches. They work so great. Like, I'm obsessed with pimple patches because they actually absorb everything out. But if you're Latina and you just have pigmentation on the skin, blemishes after they're healed tend to leave like a brown circle. So I came across the Pan-Oxyl Blemish Aftercare brightening patches, and they're actually big patches that you can just like put onto the blemish after it's healed, when it's no longer red, when it no longer has like any white stuff coming out. And these are just incredible, guys. It's like a big triangle, and you just leave it on overnight, and I swear over time it starts to get rid of the pigmentation. It just starts to fade it out so much sooner than your body just naturally exfoliating and, you know, healing the pigment. Okay, I have a few more things to show you guys. So I actually came across these on Amazon, and these are the wind shaping comb set, and you get 2 combs. They're pretty thick. They have some jagged edges here so it doesn't slip off, and these are so incredible if you have any type of hair, but for like our curly hair girls, wavy hair, when we're drying our hair, sometimes I would use like little clips to just kind of clip the root up, and so when it air dries, it has this lift to the root. This you insert right into the roots, and it actually lifts up the roots. And I actually use 2. So whatever direction you're going to set your hair, you insert it, and then you can use cool air to just kind of cool that area and dry like the gel or the mousse, or just while you're letting it air dry, and it gives you makeup volume, guys. Highly recommend these 2. I am a girly that definitely loves to smell good, so I'm gonna put you on some game. These are some new scents by Unearthed. Okay, have you guys heard of that brand? It's available exclusively at Target, and they just released a collection of different perfumes and also body sprays and room mists. Pretty much the concept is that they gathered the scents from different parts of the world and they bottled it up. So we have one of my favorites that smells absolutely amazing, and this is the Vanilla Crown, and the story source for this one is Mexico. Welcome to Papantla, Veracruz, known as the birthplace of vanilla. Here, the orchid is not just a crop, but a sacred inheritance tied to ancient traditions and identity. So every year there's a vanilla festival crowning a vanilla queen, and today vanilla is cultivated outside of Mexico, but a flower never forgets its roots. I love that. So the notes here are vanilla orchid, vanilla absolute, and cardamom oil. I'm telling you, when you smell this, please take a scent. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the way that this smells. And the packaging is just so chic. Like, I love the packaging. Smells so good. So you definitely smell that vanilla, and vanilla is just such a feminine scent. I absolutely love it. And then the perfume and air mist, this is really incredible too, because you can have your home smelling like this vanilla scent, right? So when people come over, spray your pillows, spray the curtains, you know, so they can just absorb the smell. And you have this beautiful odor all throughout the house, and I just love these. They also have one for Egypt and other parts of the world. The Egypt one actually has the honey and milk that Cleopatra loved using and bathing in for beauty. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have so many more favorites, guys, but because I love to chat and I just wanted to connect with you guys, I'm gonna keep it at this. Any more products that I mentioned, it's all gonna be listed down below. And also, if you wanna shop this video, there's going to be a link down below where you can check in the description bar. Everything is gonna be just kind of showing up as I talk about the product, and you can just click on the picture. It's a really simple way to shop the video, guys. And also the link to join my monthly Radiant Mujer circle. So I can't wait to see you guys there, and I'll see you also in the comment sections. Have a blessed and beautiful day.